Toolbox Talk. Maintenance of Manufacturing Unit Server. Objective to ensure safe maintenance and reliable operation of the manufacturing unit server, preventing production downtime, data loss, electrical hazards, and system failures. What is a manufacturing unit server? A manufacturing unit server is a centralized system that manages production data machine monitoring systems, SCADA, ERP connectivity, quality control records, CCTV and security systems. These servers may operate on platforms like Windows Server or Linux and are often integrated with industrial systems such as Siemens PLC, SCADA systems. Potential hazards. Electrical shock from server power supply. Data loss due to improper shutdown. Production stoppage during maintenance. Static electricity, ESD, damage. Overheating due to dust accumulation. Cybersecurity risk during updates. Required PPE Anti-static wrist strap, ESD protection. Safety shoes. Insulated gloves, if handling power connections. Eye protection, during cleaning. Safety precautions before maintenance. Inform production audit department. Schedule maintenance during planned downtime. Take complete data backup. Follow proper shutdown procedure. Isolate power supply, LOTO if required. Disconnect from UPS if necessary. Ensure proper grounding. Never restart server without confirming system integrity. Routine maintenance checklist. Wrench a hardware inspection. Check power cables and connectors. Inspect server rack stability. Ensure RAID hard drives are healthy. Check for unusual noise from fans or HDD B cooling or environment. Clean dust from fans and filters. Maintain room temperature 18-24 degrees Celsius recommended. Maintain humidity 40-60%. Ensure proper airflow in server rack. See software or system monitoring. Check server logs for errors. Verify backup status. Monitor CPU or memory usage. Check storage capacity. Update antivirus definitions. Install approved security patches. Data protection. Ensure daily automatic backup. Maintain off-site or cloud backup. Verify restore procedure periodically. Restrict unauthorized access. Emergency actions. In case of fire, use CO2 extinguisher only. In case of electrical fault, switch off main supply immediately. In case of server crash, inform it immediately and avoid repeated power cycling. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Follow SOP and OEM guidelines. Maintain maintenance logbook. Label cables properly. Perform regular health checks. Don'ts. Do not use water for cleaning. Do not install unauthorized software. Do not overload power sockets.